interactive food vocab. Follow along to practice your English speaking. Pizza. 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 This is pizza. This is pizza. Do you like pizza? Yes or no? Do you like pizza? Yes or no? Spaghetti. 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 This is spaghetti. This is spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti? Yes or no? Do you like spaghetti? Yes or no? Hamburger. 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 This is a hamburger. This is a hamburger. Do you like hamburgers? Yes or no? Do you like hamburgers? Yes or no? Fried chicken. Fried chicken. This is fried chicken. This is fried chicken. Do you like fried chicken? Yes or no? Do you like fried chicken? Yes or no? Sushi. Sushi. This is sushi. This is sushi. This is sushi. Do you like sushi? Yes or no? Do you like sushi? Yes or no? Steak. Steak. This is steak. This is steak. Do you like steak? Yes or no? Do you like steak? Yes or no? Fried egg. Fried egg. This is a fried egg. This is a fried egg. Do you like fried eggs? Yes or no? Hot dog. Hot dog. This is a hot dog. This is a hot dog. Do you like hot dogs? Yes or no? Do you like hot dogs? Yes or no? Rice. Rice. This is rice. This is rice. Do you like rice? Yes or no? Do you like rice? Yes or no? Salad. Salad. This is salad. This is salad. Do you like salad? Yes or no? Do you like salad? Yes or no? Subscribe for more videos.